So we are here in Kampung Jiboi in Negeri Sembilan. There you have uncle who is manning it. This is Cendol Songkok Tinggi, and this is the uncle here. He started the business, and what is really interesting is he uses all natural product. We're going to see his garden afterwards. He has planted Pandan Serani for coloring and the normal pandan for the coloring and also the fragrance. So come on by. This place is very, very popular for the locals and also outstation people. Also, this is our bowl of cendol here from Songkok Tinggi. As you can see, the cendol are naturally colored. And what I found out from the owner is they actually cook their own sugar. They mix it with 4 types of sugar. So you have the normal white sugar, brown sugar, gula melaka, which is the palm sugar, and the anau sugar, which is a local palm sugar from around in Negeri Sembilan. So they basically cook all their sugar, and the only thing they buy from outside is just the coconut milk and the ice. So come on by and check this place out in Kampung Jiboi. So we are here in the garden at the back of the cendol store. What is really interesting is they grow all their natural ingredients here. So you see the taller plant, that is the Pandan Serani. That's the one that gives the distinctive green color. And if you see towards on the bottom there, they have also interplanted with the normal pandan, which gives also the green color but more of the fragrance. So which is really great here in Cendol Songkok Tinggi. They actually take the effort to make their own cendol in-house and cook their own sugar.